right, guys, we're back at Scrub and Dirt. We got the bikes unloaded. We got the entire family today. We went to Big Springs yesterday. The kids begged to go back riding again, so we brought them to Scrub and Dirt. We have the YZ125. Nathan is going to show you guys right now if he can clear that jump for the first time today. Let's see if you got it. Do you think you can clear that jump?
Yeah.
There you go. And Addison's on the KLX 140 again. Good job. He's gonna go out when they split the track up for the small bikes. And actually, hey, the small bikes are out right now. You can go. You can go ride. Yeah. All right, guys, have fun. We got the four-wheeler today. There's Drew, Layla. How are you guys doing today? Thanks for coming. You're gonna ride around on the four-wheeler with Drew. And we have a little Liv right here playing around. Hi, Liv. Love you. We forgot to bring a blanket, guys. I was thinking maybe we should have parked in the grass, but anyways, there's other bikes loaded up right there. I was gonna ride, but then I decided not to because I'm gonna try to look out for Nathan to see what he's doing on the track. We're gonna see if he can hit that tabletop for the first time on the new YZ125. So here we go. Hey guys, happy Labor Day weekend. Layla, are you gonna ride the four-wheeler? A little bit? There's Drew. What do you got to say, Drew, to everybody? Say hi. Trust me, she's saying hi in her mind. There's Livy. She's saying hi. Say hi, Livy. Say hi. Hi. Oh, she said it. That's so cute. All right, let's go check this YZ125 out and see what he's got. Got a KTM. Get it. Good job. CRF 150, guys. No, that's a, what is that? Yeah, that's a CRF. I think that's a CRF 150L, maybe? Or is that like a, I don't know what that is. Let's see what he's got on this tabletop. Nice. There he is. Let's see what he's got. There he goes. Coming around the corner. Come on, Nate. You got it. You got to build the speed up. Oh, he almost got it. He was like maybe 2 feet short. That was pretty good though. Let's see how he looks over in the corner, over in the other turns. All right, guys, we're at the top of the world here at Scrub and Dirt. This is like a podium up here that you can get a bird's eye view of Scrub and Dirt. Nathan should be coming around that corner back there. Let's see if he can finally clear this tabletop. There's Addy. Woo! Get it, Addy. He's on the KLX. Here comes Nate, dog. There he is. Let's see if we can clear this tabletop, guys. Here he comes, here he comes. Woo! You got it, guys. Come on, you gotta work on the turns, Nate, dog. There you go. Come on, buddy. I think he's like afraid to lay that thing down. There you go. Nice, come on. Get those turns, gas. That's what I want him to work on the most of those turns, guys. Just really got to practice. Come on, there's Addy. Come on, Addy. Stand up a little bit. Layla came up to meet us. Here comes Mommy and Liv, and there's Drew. I don't know why she's so grumpy, but like super grumpy. What's going on? Here comes Nate, dog. Here comes Nate. Come on, Nate. Here he comes, babe. Let's see if he can do it for you. Let's see if he can clear the tabletop for Mom. Come on. You think he can do it, babe?
I think so.
Here he comes.
All right.
Nice. He needs to come off and take a little break. See, that guy just ate him up on that turn right there. That's what, he needs to work on that so much, man. What happened? Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry. I missed it. Is he okay?
They have to hurry and tell.
They're flagging him down. There's Lori out there. They're flagging him down. There's Lori out there. Stopping the bikes. Is he okay? Yeah, he looks like he's okay, guys. Dang.
Trish is mad.
I don't know why she's mad. Did it look like a bad wreck? He just like flipped over the handlebars?
I looked right when he was on the ground.
I think he'll be okay.
I looked whenever he wrecked.
You did?
Dad missed. Addie!
Woohoo! Come on, Addie, get it!
Aw.
Mom, you know if your side handle's like flip.
He's got to get the gas. He's got to hit that gas. Look at him. He got it.
Oh my. Here comes Nate. Nate, look, here comes your brother.
Oh, he got that all day. Good job, Nate. Hit it. I bet he is proud of himself, guys. Hey, guys, we're going to take a picture with this guy down here. Let's go take a picture with his family real quick. Woo! Got it. Woo, good job, man.
Hey, little boy.
What's up? Nice bike.
Thank you.
How's it going? I saw you hitting them jumps. Is that a CRF 150L?
Big wheel.
Big wheel? Nice. Looking good.
New bike?
Yeah, he just cleared that jump for the first time. 123 hitting the track. You just gotta work on the turns, man. Like I said, go on the inside every time. Woo, I'm proud of him. That power really helped him. He just has to work on the turns now. Did you see him jump, Drew? Did you see him hit the tabletop, Drew? Did you see him hit the tabletop?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Did you see him, babe? That was nice.
Awesome. It's got to be 100 degrees out here today.
It's not that bad, trust me. It's like maybe 91, 100 degrees. Oh, look at the Harley, guys. They got a Harley Davidson. That's awesome. I should have brought mine. I didn't have any more room in the trailer, though. Nice bike. It's a 103 cubic inch. How do you feel out there? Hey, you got to go gas it in the turns. Try to get a little bit of tire spin, okay? All right, guys, we got the 2020 YZ250. Is this like the second time you rode it? Third? Man, that thing's candy right there. Looking good. Beautiful. We got the 250 right here, guys. Power. Woo-wee. Oh, look at number 37. He's getting it right there, boys. Wow. There he goes. Look at this guy. Wow, that's awesome. That guy can ride too. Man, look at 38 getting it. Nice. Here comes 38. There's a 250 right here, guys. He's gonna get it, don't worry. It's his third time riding. He's getting it. Come on, he's got it. There you go, there you go. Trust me, that thing will take care of you. Just twist that throttle. Make sure you're steady on the gas. That's all you got to do. Here he is, guys, on the tabletop. Oh, he's got to get it in a lower gear on that. It's okay, it's okay. That guy to slow up a little bit. Look at this guy. Woo, full speed. Dang. There's 308. Look at him riding. Woo. .38's already back around again, guys. Damn, these guys can fly today. Woo-wee. All right, Nathan's going back out on the RM85. Let's see what he's got. Nathan. Hey, you look good out there, man.
Yeah, thanks, brother.
Hey, you just got to find the right gear.
Yeah.
I'll twist that throttle, dude, on that jump. You got it. Just steady. To make sure it's steady on the gas.
Yeah.
You got it, though. Let's do it, baby. Back on the 85, let's go. All right, guys, Addy and Nate are going out on the small track real quick. Got your kickstand down, buddy. There you go. All right, we got David over here, number 904. What are you riding? There it is right there, the CRF 250R. He's gonna get his fastest lap, well, for today.
We'll see.
Well, we'll see what it is, guys. What do you guys think it's gonna be? What do you think it's gonna be?
2.5 minutes.
Oh, I could take that.
Still beginner class.
All right, we'll see. It's gonna be exciting. Let's see what he's got. All right, here's Addy. Come on, Addy. Woohoo! There's number 11. Nice. Look at that. Addy's getting some air on the KLX. There's Nate back on the RM85. Nose diving. There he goes. Uh-oh, here's Nate in the corner. Steady on the gas, Addy! There you go. All right. There you go, there you go. Addy's getting some air, guys. Shifting gears, going the turn. Give it some gas, give it some gas. Here we go, here he goes over the top. Woo! Here's Nate Dogg coming around, coming around. There he goes, there he goes. Coming out of turn into the tabletop right here. Mini tabletop. Woo-hoo. Come on, Addy, you got it. Full speed, full speed. There you go. All right, guys, fun stuff on the Pee-wee track, scrubbing dirt. Nice, with a sick whip, seal it off. All right, let's get this time for the CRF 250. It's gonna be fun. See what he's got. Looking good, you got some air out there. Good job, buddy. All you gotta do is keep pushing a little bit more. Remember, steady on that gas. He's getting out here, guys. Oh yeah, check out his gaming channel, StellarPrime.
That's what I need, though.
I know, I gotta order it. So anyways, Nathan, do you think you're gonna beat your best lap time on the YZ125?
From the
It's 2 minutes, 4 seconds. His best lap time is 2 minutes, 4 seconons. It's not bad.
Out for me, though, so.
Oh, you got that.
37, so I'm 37 years old. It's all about having fun anyway. You'll get faster.
He's having fun. That breeze is so nice.
Let's do this.
All right, guys, he's headed out, and then after he comes back, we'll get Nathan's fastest lap time, and then we're gonna get number 38, Adam.
So,
Let's do it.
so.
I think Adam might win. I don't know for sure, but
There's no competition out here anymore, man.
I have a feeling. All right, it's gonna be fun no matter what happens. Let's go. All right, man. Thank you. I saw that guy was kind of slowing you down a little bit.
Oh yeah, that was fun though.
Yeah, good job,
Got
man.
inside
Let's
of
see
it.
what it is. Ethan, let's see what he's got on the YZ125. Good job, man. All right, it's Nate's turn. Let's see what he's got. He's pulling the tape off. I'll do like 3 of your fastest laps, man, and I'll get the fastest one, okay? Remember, try to take the inside. Try to get the turns right, okay? Let's get it, man. You got this. Let me put the GoPro on you. All right, there he goes. Let's see what you got, Nate Dogg. All right, there you go. It's done. Get it, Nate Dogg. You can do it. Next up, we got Adam. See what his fastest lap time is.
Are you lap time?
On 38. There it is, guys.
I don't even know what.
What are you running at? 250?
2-stroke.
250, 2-stroke?
Yeah. Poker.
Oh my God. Power demon right here, guys. Nice. Look at that.
All right, what time do I have to beat?
Oh, I have no idea. Just do your best time. Then we'll just figure it out.
Oh yeah, no competition.
Yeah. Got the pro circuit punch on there too. Woo! There's Addy. All right, Adam's going out. What do you think he's gonna do?
A minute 30 seconds.
A minute and 30? What's your fastest lap time? Minute 50? Man, that's good.
Well, not on this track, but.
Oh, okay, okay.
Was it a super track for this?
61 in the Hizzity house. Woo! Oh, look at this guy. Woo! Damn, that guy is ripping it up. Dang! My God! Look at that turn! That's insane! Woo! Look at that timing. Smooth. He's just outside. Look at that whip. Dang. He's going back around. He's like, I got to do that again. There he is, guys. That was good right there. That. You look good out there, man. That KTM was hot on your tail, but he never caught you.
If I had more juice in me, I'd stay out there.
You did 5 laps, right?
Yeah, that's all I got in me.
Man, that's pretty dang good. 5 laps.
50-year-old, pretty good.
50? I thought you were 39.
36.
Oh, okay. Load it up. There's Layla on the 4-wheeler.
Hi.
Hi.
Where are you going?
We're gonna do fastest lap time over here on the. All right, it's gonna be fun. You having fun? Oh yeah. Go watch anywhere. Just don't cut the don't like cut in front of people on bikes and stuff. Be careful, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, guys. Introducing another rider out there on the new 2020 Honda CRF 250. Just breaking it in for the first time. Garrison Smith, number 76. I'm sure you guys all know him. Anyways, he's gonna see if he can get the fastest lap for today out here, guys. Anyways, you want to shout any sponsors out or anything?
Teely Energy, KTM, Kenda Power Sports, Moose Racing, Aero, OG Goggles, man, you gotta get you some of these. These are
Heck
the best
yeah.
ones out there.
Cool, man. This kid can ride. He's 14 years old, guys. Very impressive. Let's see what he's got on the GoPro. Thanks for doing that for us.
No problem.
Man, this is gonna be awesome. All right, here he goes, guys. Let's do it. Oh, you got the auto start on the electric start. I thought that was just on the 450s. It's all of them.
Yeah, that's all
Cool.
about.
All right, thanks, man. He's gonna go ride, Drew. You think he's pretty good? Yeah. There he is, Garrison Smith, number 76, man. Good job, man. That was awesome, dude. I saw that Superman. You're like, I'm going that way. Heck yeah, dude. That was awesome. All right, thanks a lot. All right, check him out on Instagram. Garrison 76, guys. I saw you. You overflew it, but how'd you land? Do another lap. Get it, dog. You did good, man. I'm proud of you. So let's see what he's got. Look at that jump, guys. Here he goes, here he goes. Nice. Hey guys. Oh, he's out there. He's coming around right now. Here goes Addy. He's back on the track. Here comes Nate Dogg. There's your dad. Here comes Nate Dogg. Get it, Nate Dogg. Whoa. Yeah, he almost, that bike was in the way. He had to slow down. His butt came off the bike. All right, guys, well, happy Labor Day weekend. We went to Big Springs yesterday. Nathan begged me to take him to scrubbing dirt, so we did it on Sunday. We took the whole family. Nathan's riding good. He cleared the tabletop. Thank you so much for watching the video. You did good, Nate. Dude, I saw that. Let me stop the GoPro. All right, be careful, man. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching the video, guys. From Scrubbing Dirt, we're out. Thanks, babe. Love you. Thanks, Adam and David, for riding. Thank you, Drew, for being so sweet, and Layla for coming. Have a good day, guys. Happy Labor Day weekend. What?
Look at your face.
Let me see. Let me see it. Aw. She's sad. I don't know why, but. And then Addie says bye too, guys. Talk to y'all later. Until next time, ride fly 50 gigawatts.